You know I love you. I love you. Girl, I don't care if you don't want me. You know I'm yours right now. I put a spell on you. I put a spell on you. Cause you're mine. You better stop the things you do. Oh, I don't care. I ain't lying. Oh, I ain't lying. Girl, I love you. Oh, I love you. I don't care if you don't want me. You know I'm yours right now. Oh, I put a spell on you. Cause you're mine. Cause you're mine. Oh, 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 oh. Cause you're mine.
You rock that.
Congratulations. That's amazing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's your name? Where are you from?
My name is Danny Joseph. I'm from London, England, but I live in Dallas, Texas.
I'm from Oklahoma, see? So there's kind of like cousins right there. I love that song. I'm a huge Annie Lennox fan. And you've got an amazing range and a very powerful voice.
Thank you.
Everything about your look is perfect. And the fact that you're English and then you transplanted as a Texan, like that's just, it's so weird and I love it. When you came in, I think you were probably one of the strongest, most secure singers that I've heard so far this season. There's such a professional sound to your voice and the rasp and everything that you do is so kind of rare. I would love to have you on my team. At this point, you have so many, whoa, you don't have so many options.
Yeah, I would have loved to have you on my team too, Danny.
Thank you.
But I think Snoop D-O-double-G blocked me.
Why would you say something like that, Michael? Why would you use my name in that sentence?
That mustache is just fabulous.
Thank you.
You have a tremendous voice. You got great control. I wish I could do the runs that you just did. I just couldn't enjoy that performance more.
Thank you.
Well, I want to talk to you personally without them, because they've been blowing a lot of smoke. You belong with somebody like me. Don't even pay no attention to them. Because London, England, and Snoop Dogg have a great connection. While they blowing all that smoke over there, I'm telling you the truth. The truth is the best coach is the D-O-double-G.
I don't know what you just did, but I know that I have the munchies.
Danny, I do need to remind you that I did win last year. I'm very competitive, and I work real hard, and I'll help you any way I can. We'd have a great time. Love to have you on my team.
Thank you.
Who do you pick as your coach?
Thank you. This means so much to us. It means so much to me. I'm just gonna have to go with what I feel right now in my heart, and it's Reba.
Oh, look at her, she's shocked.
I really wanted him on my team. He had a great range, raspy, sexy sounding. He was wailing on the guitar, which I absolutely loved. I think he's very talented.
Appreciate